are pleased to show you the 2019 Ford Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, power door locks, power windows, passenger airbag, rear head airbag, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, brake assist, variable speed intermittent wipers, third passenger door. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.